Hi, I'm Hailey Frances, and I'm about to take you inside this house that has incredible curb appeal inside the DC Ranch Country Club community in Scottsdale, Arizona. I can't even believe how beautiful this place is. Let's go inside. Hi, Cindy. And this is the realtor here at this property, Cindy Metz with Reisdorf, Metz and Partners. Thanks so much for taking us inside.
Yes, I'm so glad you're here. Let's come on in.
Now, this area is a real showstopper. This staircase is stunning, and it takes you upstairs to some of the bedrooms, right?
Correct. The master bedroom is upstairs, and so is the executive office, and it was designed that way for ultimate privacy and to take advantage of the gorgeous views.
Now, this house is Spanish-Colonial style, and it really stands apart from other houses in this area. I know that there was an architect hired, right, to help design the house?
Yes, Clint Miller actually was the architect for this property. He's very well known. He's been featured in the Phoenix Homes and Garden and other architectural digests and so forth in this area. So it was great to have him on this project. He did a phenomenal job.
Can you talk to me a little bit about the details in this kitchen?
Sure. They have granite countertops. You can see they did a nice tile backsplash. Decor appliances, double oven, Sub-Zero here, but remember you have another refrigerator around the corner. So very well appointed, hardwood floors, totally natural wood beams.
And this is a great space for, if you have kids, for them to hang out in this area while you're cooking.
Exactly. So for a Spanish-Colonial, they did kind of do an open floor plan so that you can have guests over here or family, and the mom or whoever is in the kitchen can feel like they're all part of whatever's going on.
And I know in this area, you'll also have some of the best views of the house as well.
Exactly. So if you look from the casual dining area, that's where some of the best views are in the house, as well as the master suite. If you want to take a step outside, you can see those gorgeous views.
Yeah.
Look at, isn't that spectacular? Yeah. Can't you imagine like coming out and having your cup of coffee in the morning, and then a nice grassy play area for children or pets?
The views here are so incredible, and I know that we get to see them in this space, but you also get to see them upstairs from the master.
Yes, that's correct. So the master was designed specifically for privacy and to take advantage of these gorgeous views. So the master bathroom has a soaking tub, it has its own walk-in shower, 2 closets, which everyone loves, and a really nice private balcony that you can enjoy the views and have your cup of coffee.
Okay, let's talk about the guest casita.
So the guest casita is attached to the main home, but separate. So it has a full kitchen with the cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, and then it has a nice sitting area and then an ensuite bedroom.
Is there something about this house in particular that stands out when you tour people through it?
Well, I think the people that are drawn to seeing this home really appreciate a Spanish-Colonial design. They like something that's got charm, it's warm, it's inviting. And then of course the views are kind of the bonus or the icing on the top of the cake. And then it's just so private, and you can see there's lush landscaping, so you feel like you're in your own private oasis.
And of course, a beautiful crystal clear pool and spa is outside, right?
Yes, I mean, look at this. It's generous in size, perfect for lots of kids to be in there having fun and enjoying the great weather we have.
And this is one of my favorite places in the house that I've seen. This beautiful outdoor sitting area, and it's got a lot of features out here.
Exactly. So this is just one of the many covered spaces that are here. And as you can see, this one has space for a TV behind this cabinet. You've got a wood-burning fireplace for those chilly fall evenings. And then of course the grill is here with the sink and the refrigerator, and it's close to the kitchen, which makes it convenient. And it's just a great space. I mean, I would love to like sit down, have a glass of wine, kind of unwind after a long day, or have your friends out here and being able to just enjoy their company. It's like just the perfect location.
Well, if anyone is interested in coming and getting a private tour of this property, how can they get in touch with you?
Well, they can call me, Cindy Metz, at 602-803-2293. I would welcome the opportunity to walk someone through the home and show them all the beautiful features that are here.
Okay, well, thank you so much for having me inside the home.
Oh, you are so welcome. Thanks for coming.